In this video, we will show you the process of making a quick payment. First, click on Make a Quick Payment. Enter your phone number or student ID. If a phone number is used, do not enter any dashes, only digits. If you have used the site before with the same phone number or student ID, your email may be shown. If no email is entered or you wish to use a different email address, enter it here. Next, fill in the address and then the student first and last name. Select Next. Select the category of payment you would like and the amount of those categories. The amount to be paid in total will be shown at the top. Payment can be made by withdrawing from a bank account when entering the required detail. Or select Credit Debit Card and entering the required information. Select Next. Confirm the payment details. If a correction is required, select Previous and revise the details as required. If the payment details are correct, select Pay. Your payment has been entered. If you like, click on View Details to see the payment details. If you would like to print out a receipt, click Print.